Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here today, we all know that I discuss the marked NCERT of biology, but here today now I am discuss the chemistry of NCERT that is marked by me. Okay, that is short type note of P block elements. P block or others S block, D block means to say inorganic part of chemistry that is too difficult for many students that remind it in your mind, right? Yes. So today we have discussed the short type note of P block that is marked by NCERT, and the notes is occurred by me as I am also a NEET aspirant. That's why I think that is share with you for your better examination. Okay, so let's start P block. Today we study P block of 12 signs. Okay, so there is the group of 15, 16, 17, 18. So first today we have started group 15. So group 15 have a configuration that is NH2NP3, that is common configuration NH2NP3. Okay, so P block elements of group 15, those are nitro NP or means to nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. So first nitrogen and phosphorus is non-metals. Yes. Okay, and arsenic or Sb is metalloids, right? Or Bi is typical metal. Okay, that is typical metal. So nitrogen, phosphorus is non-metals, arsenic, antimony is metalloids, and bismuth is typical metal. That is more important to know it. Okay, and nitrogen is in atmosphere that have occurred 78%. Okay, and those are commonly called pnictogens, means choking elements. Okay, all are choking elements. Now here some common special effect. Okay, there are special common effect. Those are ionization enthalpy, delta IH, electronegativity, covalent radius, ionic radius, melting points, boiling point, density. Those are common part. Okay, for any block. Okay, that is here. So in ionization enthalpy have nitrogen greater than phosphorus and arsenic greater than Sp greater than Bi, but all those have nothing same. That's why we have a table to show that is most easy. Okay, so that is most easy for you, I think. Now we are going to nitrogen family, the first elements of group 15. So that nitrogen, so that it is called group 15 called is nitrogen family. So nitrogen is diatomic gas and all others are polyatomic gas. Okay, and nitrogen differs from rest of the members group 15 due to its small size, high electronegativity, high organization enthalpy and absence of vacant d orbital. So nitrogen differs from rest of the others group 15 members due to its small size, high electronegativity, high organization enthalpy and absence of vacant d orbital. That are most important line. Okay, then we are going to chemical properties and trends in chemical reactivity. Okay, that here the most important things is oxidation state. Okay, commonly there have a state is -3, +3 and +5. So first one is tendency to show -3 oxidation state decreases down to the group to increase in size and metallic character. Why that is so? Because increasing in size and metallic character, that's why decrease the oxygen state, that is -3. Okay, 1 is complete. And 2 is the stability of +5 as a decrease to that of +3 oxygen state, increasing down the group due to inert paired effect. You know what is inert paired effect? So that is increasing down to the group due to inert pair effect. That's why the stability of +5 oxidation state is decreases. Okay. And the third one is nitrogen source +1, +2, +4 oxygen state. Also when it reacts with O2. Okay. So first one is reacts towards O2. That is one another processes. Okay. That is all groups 15 elements from hybrid dyes of the EH3 type. There are NH3, PH3, SH3, SBH3, BIH3, right? And there have a look, that is thermal stability, bond dissociation enthalpy, basicity, reducing character, bond angle. Those all are decreases. Top to bottom are decreases. And boiling point have a look, that is pH3 less than ASH3 less than NH3 less than SPH3 less than BIH3. So boiling point have another look, but now still thermal stability, bond dissociation and enthalpy, basicity, reducing character, bond angle, those are top to bottom is decreases. Okay, that's set for today. Because there have more important line have. So today that will finish for today. So thank you, and waiting for me for next session of chemistry or biology. Okay, bye. Thank you.